Hey traders, this is day 3. It's Wednesday, the 25th of July, 2018. The time is 5 a.m. London time, 3 hours prior to the open. First up, we have the Australian dollar. It moved quite a bit here during the Asian session. It was due to the Australian CPI that came out a few hours ago. Pretty big news. Okay, you can see price spiking up and then just reversing. I may still adjust the range a bit in this one here. This looks like it made a slight breakout, but now it's reversing. Becomes a fake out instead. The pound, this is how I draw my range, okay? Dollar yen, looks pretty tight for now. Just keep an eye. If this breaks out of this range, there's still another range here. Okay? So in the bigger picture, we're inside another range. Right? But this is good enough for us to make at least 10-20 pips. Euro dollar, right about here. Dollar CAD, 30 pip range, pretty wide. Let's see. Kiwi. Okay, right about here. Okay guys, that should do it for now. Hey traders, here's another update on our positions. We got filled in the pound dollar at our buy stop, up a few pips. For the Australian dollar, I entered along here. We had the criteria met for a fake out trade here, and it came back down to a retest the bottom and made a double bottom. Okay, this long candle wick here is still showing me that price has a tendency to go to the upside. Okay, same for the Kiwi dollar, a fake out trade here. I got long. We're up about 15 pips already. Okay, I have buy stop orders here and a sell stop order on the dollar yen. So there you go. These are the open positions for now. London is yet to open. London will open in about 25 minutes from now. Okay, the London session just opened. We've reached the take profit for our Kiwi dollar position. Has closed out. Okay, we got triggered into our euro dollar trade here. I've moved my stop slightly for the pound dollar and the Australian dollar. Okay, we're yet to be triggered in the dollar yen and the dollar CAD. I've placed another buy stop order here on the Kiwi dollar. Hey traders, we're about 2 hours into the London session. Took a few losses here after our first win. It got stopped out in the euro and the pound. These trades that were losers, they were basically breakout trades, okay? Failed to break out here. Came back inside the range, okay? As of right now, I'm still holding on to the Australian dollar. I entered long on the pound dollar. I entered another long on the euro when price dipped down. Almost got stopped out. Okay. And I have another buy stop still pending. Dollar CAD has been triggered. Okay, and we're still holding on to the sell over here. For the QE, I also entered long when price dipped, when it failed to break out the first time. And we've been triggered into the second position as well. Okay, I'm just waiting for that big rush of momentum. And should that happen, we would easily reach our daily goal, which is 50 pips. Okay, hey traders, we're in pretty decent profit right now. I could close out everything and be done for the day. I'm still seeing a potential push here. Okay, I don't see this pair reversing anytime soon. I'm gonna wait probably another 1 or 2 candles. I'm gonna wait for the candle close. This doesn't look like it's gonna reverse anytime soon. The pound, however, is not really taking off. I just closed out all of my positions. We traded for about 5 hours-ish today, total. And this is how we did for the day. We had pending orders on the dollar yen, which I deleted, okay, because I felt like with all these other positions that we already have running and were in profit, I did not need to enter into another one here. Okay, so the pound closed out in a small loss. This one here, minus 41. And everything else pretty much closed out in profit. Okay, and this is how we did for today. 12 trades, 8 winners, 4 losers, total pip count, and total amount in dollars. After commissions, that is. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with the day as we're able to bank in 84 pips today. I'm going to end the trading session right now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the 4th day. Yeah.